What's up guys, welcome to this quick detail video. We're going to be cleaning all the carpet and seats on this 91 Mazda Miata today. We got the seats out, it's just these 4 bolts here. Just scoop the seat back, 1, 2, move it forward, 3, 4. And the first thing you always want to do, as with any detail, is take out the larger items. There were all kinds of parts, blankets, and a bunch of trash. And with that trash out of the way, we can move on to vacuuming. When you're vacuuming and working on carpets like this, it's important to stay in a comfortable position. That's why you'll see me plop down in this interior. I tried to really take my time during this vacuuming because I knew that afterwards we were going to be extracting, and any of that dirt that gets left behind, it's actually going to soak up into the carpet. So you want to get all that dirt lifted up. Alright, here's the extractor I'm going to be using. It's a little carpet cleaning machine I picked up off Amazon. It's a really nice machine for the money, so if you want to pick one up, just click the link in the description below. It's time to fill this bad boy up. I prefer warm water. Bissell has a more expensive version that heats the water for you, but we're just going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. It's in that little bit. Look at that. So this does have a pretty small container. It's already almost halfway full. Now that the passenger side is done, we move on to the driver's side. I used the same process as the passenger side. So let's hop out and work on those seats. I ended up going back to back with a vacuum, extractor, and drill brush. This fabric got soaked, so it's a good thing it was a really hot day out. So after letting the seats bake in the sun for a while, I popped them back in, and here's how it turned out. Well, alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a like and a sub.